What's up guys? In today's video, we are going to be going over how we find profitable trade setups on a daily basis using our smart money concepts and price action indicator. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Let's dive right in. So the indicators we're going to be showcasing in today's video, if you'd like access to them, you can try them 100% free for 7 days here on our website, QuantVue.io. We'll link all of the official links in the description. The Smart Money Concepts and Price Action Indicator is going to be on our basic plan, as well as our premium and professional plans also include the Price Action Indicator. So in the example we'll showcase today, we're looking at the Shopify 1 hour chart to show you some potential swing trade setups that you can find using the price action indicator. So after you sign up for a free trial, pull up your indicators tab. You're going to want to pull this one up here, the QuantVue Smart Money Concepts - Price Action, and you'll see this load onto your chart. What this price action indicator does is plots all of the common smart money concepts directly onto your chart automatically. This works on any market, any time frame, and it really just saves you hours charting these levels yourself. They help you easily identify potential demand zones, supply zones, entry and exit points, and a lot more. So the first step when using this indicator, and really any indicator or any trading setup that you do, you're going to always want to identify the trend. In this case, zoom out a little bit, you'll clearly see we're in an uptrend. Obviously, the market's been in an uptrend all year, but you always want to confirm that before taking any long or short position. You never want to go against the market. As they say, the trend is your friend. So we get this order block printed here. We're seeing price. Okay, so we get this bullish change of character, which means that this downward trend that we've seen these last few weeks ended up shifting. We got a break in market structure. So if you wanted to potentially catch this upswing, rather than jumping right in here, you can see that we're clearly approaching this supply zone. So what we always recommend, what you could do is wait for a pullback at this demand zone here. So let's resume the replay. As you can see, we tap this supply zone, get a couple candles in there, and then boom, right back down, we start to get this retracement. We get this swing high printed. So we know that this was a valid supply zone. So right here, we get this candlestick, tap this demand zone that previously printed. This right here would have been a potentially great spot to enter on a swing trade. So one little pro tip that you could use while trading price action and smart money concepts is watch for price to immediately rebound from these zones. You never want to see price hang out too much in these demand zones, because then you could potentially see a break further down or a break further up, moving against your trade thesis. So in this case, we got an immediate rebound. This right here, this candle would have been a fantastic place to enter. We know there's an overall uptrend, right? So our bias is bullish to the upside. We got this bullish change of character here. We get a retest of this demand zone. I can't show it here, but you can set alerts on all of these features in the Smart Money Concepts indicator. So you can set an alert when you get a manual market structure here, like this change of character to the upside. You can set an alert when price touches this demand zone. That way you don't have to be sitting at the charts and constantly watching for these levels to be hit. So let's say you did decide to go long, you could place your stop here. You could place your stop at or below this previous order block, and then place your take profit here at the previous swing high. If you really wanted to get a higher risk to reward, you could go to the top of this previous order block here, but just for simplicity's sake, we'll just target the swing high. As you can see, this demand zone did hold. We do start getting that push to the upside. A couple days later, boom, right there. Smashed through actually the swing high and touched the top of this supply zone that previously printed from earlier in the month. We actually broke this supply zone from the previous month, and this would have been a clean 3-to-1 risk to reward trade using the price action smart money concepts indicator. Now, one really cool feature about this price action indicator, if we go back here, is you could configure the candlesticks to actually change color whenever the trend shifts. So for example, we got this bearish break of structure here. So this little section here, the candlesticks change to red to indicate a bearish trend. So let's just do this replay again, do that trade once more. So we get this change of character here on the internal market structure. So the trend color shifts to green, and then we get, boom, right there, the manual market structure to the upside here. So now we know there's a change of character. Rather than just guessing, this indicator will actually change the candlestick colors, which is just a nice visual touch to make it easier to see. Once again, bounce off that supply zone, boom, right there, catch this liquidity, and then we get that nice 3-to-1 risk reward trade. Exit at the previous swing high. So in this particular trade, let's say you got in here at this demand zone, retest, exited at those swing highs, That's a 12% gain here on this swing trade on the Shopify 1 hour chart. So that was just one way you can use this price action indicator to find profitable swing trades. This indicator also works if you're scalping. Like we said, it works on any time frame, any chart, any market, whether you're trading stocks, crypto, forex, futures, options. This is an awesome indicator. It'll save you hours charting all these levels yourself. As we always say, none of these indicators should be taken blindly. You should never just be blindly following these alerts. These tools are only meant to help you confirm existing strategies and setups, like the example we showcased here in the video. So going through some of the settings in this price action indicator before we wrap up this video, like we showcased, you have that built-in trend color. You have these liquidity points, which you'll see plotted here onto your chart to show you where institutions are sweeping those stop losses. You have manual market structure order blocks. You have fair value gaps. So if you're an ICT trader, you can plot these automatically right onto your chart. We have the previous highs and lows for the daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. And this indicator even has market sessions built right in, so you know exactly when the most volume is taking place, so you don't get chopped up during certain market sessions. So like we said in the beginning of the video, if you want access to these exact same indicators that we showcased, go to our website, QuantVue.io. You can try our toolkit 100% free. You're gonna get access to our entire indicator toolkit. You're also gonna get our AI Ethereum bot included absolutely free. If you decide to go with our professional plan, you're gonna unlock our Pro Chat, which is our most exclusive Discord channel. We're sharing daily trade setups in there. All of our pro members are talking shop, sharing ideas, potential setups, things they're looking at, different settings that they're looking for in the indicators. And it's just an awesome amount of value that you get when joining the QuantVue community. Also, if you're not following us on Twitter, you are missing out on daily trade setups. We post smart money concepts trading setups here every single day. We also post key levels every single morning to watch for. Everything you need is going to be linked in the description below. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We post content like this every single week, showcasing our toolkit, trade setups, different levels we're watching in the market, and more. That's all we got for you in today's video. We'll see you in the next one.